folks. We pulled over here by the side of the road. Got a little bit of a break in the weather. It's been snowing and raining today. We're actually driving down to the coast to go pick up a car. So we've had an XE for a while and a couple years. We've pretty much finished doing our drivetrain development on that, but those of you that follow us who are into JLR stuff, you guys probably know we got some pretty big things in the works. We've been doing a lot of development work on them, but it was about time that we picked up our own vehicle with a V8 drivetrain. So we're on our way down to see Stacey and Daniel down at Jaguar Land Rover Langley, part of the open road group. And you know, we figured this was as good a spot to stop as any and tell you what we're up to today. It's beautiful. I think my cameraman needed a dart anyway, so here we are. Have a look. This is why we live here. I mean, I've been all over the world and the world is beautiful, but this is one of the best places. You cannot argue with that. You're not gonna like this because we're parking this junky old farm truck that we used to haul cars around outside their nice Jaguar Land Rover dealership. There we go. They also say that you should never show up empty-handed, and this being Canada, we brought donuts. So let's go meet them and go have a look at the car. See if they still want to sell it to us.
We're rolling.
Nice.
Stuart?
How are you?
I'm wonderful. How are you?
Very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How are you guys?
That's so
Brought you donuts.
Aw, appreciate it.
You couldn't talk empty-handed.
That's so kind of you. Thank you.
I tried to buy the fancy ones and they told me you couldn't get the fancy ones.
Oh no.
Nice. Absolutely.
Part of the team. See the car.
Go for it. Fire it up. Do it before and after.
Can't say no, it's V8.
Give it a boost.
When do you plan on starting working on this one? ASAP?
Oh, this will be taken apart really quickly. You were asking me about being excited about it, which I am. And Brandon was asking me on the way down, but part of it is also
There's a lot of work.
we're immediately going to start doing things to it. Like we have some upgrades and things that we want to test that we know probably aren't going to work right away. So we're, you know, you get something really fun and new and shiny, and then you know that you're going to make it.
Trial and error, right?
Yeah. No, I'm excited. I'm excited. I think my wife's more excited than I am.
Oh, that's awesome.
No, Very happy for you guys. Can't
Thank
wait
you.
to see what this is going to turn out to be honest.
You guys gotta come up. You gotta come up to Area 27.
We
So,
will.
Open Road Group that Jaguar Land Rover Langley is a part of has a membership at Area 27, which is the private racetrack just down the hill from where our shop is. So we're trying to orchestrate some sort of situation where we can make them come to the track and maybe go for a ride in this once we've tuned it up a little bit.
Sounds wonderful. We're excited.
I hope you have 2 seatbelts going this way so I hang on.
Stacy, phenomenal. Can't say enough good stuff about the people here at Open Road. We called them up and told them what we wanted, and they had it for us in 2 weeks. Like, easiest thing ever, fantastic follow-up. If you want to buy a car, these people were phenomenal. Good. Let's go drive it.